The Unimog is more than just a vehicle. It is a living legend that has shaped the history of utility and off-road engineering for over 7 decades. When the first Unimog rolled off the production line in 1951, no one could have imagined that this humble farm helper would one day become an off-road king admired by adventurers, military forces, and explorers worldwide. Built under the Mercedes-Benz brand, the Unimog was initially designed to help farmers rebuild after World War II. Its name stands for Universal Motor Gerät, which translates to Universal Motor Machine, and that name perfectly describes its purpose: versatility above all else. From the very beginning, the Unimog combined the capability of a tractor with the maneuverability of a truck, a concept that was revolutionary for its time. The early Unimogs of the 1950s were compact, rugged machines with simple designs and reliable engines. They featured portal axles for high ground clearance and all-wheel drive, making them ideal for plowing fields, transporting crops, and tackling rough terrain on farms. Farmers appreciated the Unimog for its ability to operate agricultural tools like plows and harvesters while also serving as a transport vehicle. This versatility quickly gained attention, and soon the Unimog began to move beyond farms into forestry, construction, and even military service. Its ability to perform multiple tasks efficiently made it indispensable in rural areas, especially in countries recovering from wartime destruction. By the 1960s, the Unimog had evolved significantly. Mercedes-Benz introduced more powerful engines and enhanced the design for greater comfort and durability. The vehicle's capabilities caught the attention of utility companies, emergency services, and even the military. Governments worldwide recognized the Unimog's unique ability to handle extreme terrain, making it a preferred choice for expedition vehicles, firefighting units, and rescue missions in remote locations. The 406 and 416 series became particularly popular during this period, offering improved horsepower and better adaptability for specialized equipment. The 1970s and 1980s marked a golden era for the Unimog. It became a true global workhorse, serving in roles that few other vehicles could match. From snow clearing in the Alps to desert operations in the Middle East, the Unimog proved that no environment was too harsh. Its torsional flexibility and robust frame allowed it to twist over rocky landscapes without compromising stability. Adventure enthusiasts and overland travelers began adopting Unimogs for long-distance expeditions, often converting them into fully equipped mobile homes. This trend elevated the Unimog's image from a purely utilitarian vehicle to an aspirational machine for explorers. In the 1990s, Mercedes-Benz continued refining the Unimog to meet modern demands. The design incorporated improved safety features, better suspension systems, and more comfortable cabins without sacrificing the core qualities that made the Unimog legendary. Technological advancements brought turbocharged diesel engines and better fuel efficiency, making the Unimog even more powerful and reliable. It was during this era that the Unimog became popular in motorsports as well, participating in extreme events like the Dakar Rally, further proving its capability in the toughest environments on Earth. As the 21st century began, the Unimog embraced innovation while maintaining its heritage. Mercedes-Benz introduced state-of-the-art features such as hydraulic systems, advanced gearboxes, and emission control technology to comply with global environmental standards. The Unimog lineup diversified, offering models for agriculture, firefighting, snow removal, exploration, and industrial applications. One of the most remarkable features that emerged was the Vario Pilot system, allowing the driver to switch the steering wheel from left to right, an innovation that showcased the vehicle's adaptability for different regions and applications. By the 2010s, the Unimog had become an icon not just for industries but also for automotive enthusiasts worldwide. Social media and YouTube channels began showcasing Unimogs in extreme adventure builds, overland expeditions, and custom conversions into luxury off-road motorhomes. The combination of unmatched off-road performance, timeless design, and engineering excellence made the Unimog a dream vehicle for off-road enthusiasts. The U4023 and U5023 models exemplified modern Unimogs, powerful, efficient, and ready for any terrain, from dense forests to frozen tundras. In 2025, the Unimog stands as a testament to 74 years of relentless innovation and reliability. Today's Unimogs are equipped with advanced telematics, eco-friendly engines, and cutting-edge suspension systems that allow them to tackle environments that ordinary trucks cannot handle. Despite the incorporation of modern technology, the Unimog has never strayed from its original mission, being the ultimate universal machine. Its adaptability continues to attract industries, governments, and adventurers alike. From clearing snow in Colorado to carrying scientific equipment across Arctic ice, the Unimog remains the king of off-road versatility. The journey from a simple farm helper in post-war Europe to a globally recognized symbol of engineering excellence is nothing short of extraordinary. The Unimog has conquered mountains, deserts, rivers, and jungles, proving that no challenge is too great. It represents resilience, durability, and innovation, a combination that has allowed it to outlast countless trends and competitors. Whether you are a farmer from the 1950s, an overlander from the 1980s, or an adventurer in 2025, the Unimog continues to deliver on its promise of go anywhere, do anything. The legacy of the Unimog is far from over. With advancements in electric drivetrains, hybrid technology, and autonomous features on the horizon, the future of this iconic machine looks even more exciting. Imagine a fully electric Unimog silently navigating rugged mountain trails or an autonomous version delivering supplies in disaster zones. These possibilities are no longer science fiction. As Mercedes-Benz pushes the boundaries of innovation, the Unimog will undoubtedly remain at the forefront of off-road technology for decades to come. From 1951 to 2025, the Unimog has proven that true legends never fade. They only evolve. It started as a farm tool and became a global powerhouse of versatility. Its story is not just about a vehicle, it's about human ingenuity, determination, and the desire to conquer the impossible. The Unimog is more than a machine, it is a symbol of freedom, strength, and adventure. And as long as there are unexplored roads and untamed terrains, the Unimog will be there, ready to take on the world.